guys, my name is Julie and this is the Juicy Kitchen. And if you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and click on the notification button to get notified every time we post a new video. Today we're going to make simple chapatis and here are our ingredients. So we have salt, sugar, cooking oil, some water I had boiled, our wheat flour, and our basting and rolling pin. So depending on the number of people you're cooking for, you have the option of using more or less cups of flour. But today I'm going to use like 6 glasses of flour. So now I'm going to add in the salt and sugar in my water, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of sugar. It all depends on how you want your chapatis to taste. If you want less salt or more sugar, it's okay. Then I'm going to stir it, then mix it in with the flour. So I'm going to just have a small taste. Yeah, it's okay. So now I'm going to add in the water into my flour and just make a small well in the middle. Then gradually add in the water. So I'm going to just add in a little flour. I'll keep on adding in a little flour till it gets to the perfect consistency. So to know whether your dough is ready, it's supposed to lift off from the basin without sticking. So now I'm going to add in just a little oil, and this also depends on you whether you like more. You can add more. So I'm going to just add in like 5 tablespoons of oil. Then just mix it in with the dough again. So now after mixing it in like that, you can either use a clean cloth to just put on top of it and let it rest for 30 minutes, or if you have these bread packaging papers, you can just tear one of them up and just put them on top of the dough and let it sit for 30 minutes. So now I'm just going to let it sit for 30 minutes. So guys, our dough has been sitting for 30 minutes. Now it's time to roll it out and separate it into smaller portions. As you can see, it's really soft. So make sure that your surface is clean before you place the dough on it. So first I'm going to dust my tabletop so that the dough doesn't stick when I'm rolling it. So after rolling it out like so, I'm just going to pour a little oil and just spread it around. So using my cutter, you can also use a knife. I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. Like so. Then I'm going to now roll them over. Like so. After rolling them over, I'm just going to So once you've separated them into smaller portions, we're just going to take them one by one, roll them out and put them on a pan and cook them on low heat. So let's begin. So we're going to do the same process on the rest of them. So guys, our chapatis are ready. As you can see, they are really nice and soft. Very nice chapatis. If you like this video, then you're going to love the content of this channel. So subscribe, like, share, and click on the notification button to get notified every time we post a new video. See you next Thursday at 3 p.m.